What's going on YouTube? I'm back at it with yet another video. Today I have a sponsorship with a company called God C Supply. I will link their Instagram down below. I'm gonna legit check these shoes and everything just to make sure they're legit, because a lot of people are skeptical about them because for some of the shoes they have very good prices. So here's a mystery box. They said it was around $1,000 and they sent it for this video, so let's get to unboxing this. So already I could see there's their logo on here. They have their little authentication sticker and I can already see one item that's just peeking out, so I'm gonna show you it. I could tell what this was when I saw it. This is the Supreme North Face like book bag thing. It's actually not that bad. It's a pretty nice backpack. I thought these were really shitty, but it's a leather material. And this I may or may not use as a secondary backpack because it's not that cringy. So this is a nice backpack. And from what I could tell, it does look legit. Good sign for the first item. The only thing I don't like is, God, see, just take notes on this. Don't use packing peanuts. These are a hassle. Like, I hate these things. Next up, they sent me a pair of Reebok socks from Essence. I'm not sure what these are. Let me see if I can read the label. Right there. I don't know what this is exactly, but there's some socks, and I don't know what these are. Guess I use these as like socks for what they're meant for. So here's pretty much all their business cards. Ooh, they sent me a Gucci item. I'm actually excited to see what this is because it looks like jewelry. Oh, it's a ring. Oh, I'm gonna use this, dude. What the hell? Oh, dude, it's a Gucci pinky ring, I think. It's like a Gucci ring. I don't know jewelry that well. Fuck yeah. This doesn't fit me though. It does on this finger, but like I can't push it back enough. This is so sexy, dude. This is raw. This would look like, this would be nice at like homecoming or something. Oh my, thank you gods. Dude, like, I never thought they'd send me like a ring. It's hard to focus on it because it's so small, but it has the GGs around it. You can see it. There it is. Wow. This is a nice ring, dude. This is I'm gonna wear this like every day now. The only thing is like I'd be afraid to lose it. Do I have like a fat finger? I don't really have a fat finger. Oh, I could leave it on my middle finger, I guess. I don't know, it really doesn't fit my ring finger where it's supposed to be. And I cannot get it off, so I guess it's staying on for the rest of the video because I can't get it off my middle finger. But okay, so we have that. We have a Gucci ring. I did not expect that. I expected like some basic Supreme stuff. This is really like, it's different. Next up we have a Zippo, and I'm already prepared for what this is. I expect, it's probably just another Supreme Zippo. So yeah, let me see. Yeah, I've had one of these before. This isn't new. Yeah, just as another Supreme Zippo. They sent me a pair of Gucci shoes. I don't know what these are. This is a really different box. They're sending a lot of designer. Oh, shit. Yo. These are nice. And these feel a lot better than the regular Gucci slides. This is a different box. I did not think any of this would be in here. Well, it looks like that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know how much all of this was worth. And then these I'm probably gonna have to wear too, because like these are just really nice. And there's God C's label, and I can tell they're real just by smelling them. It's just like a smell that you know. Like with Gucci, I'm in Gucci stores a lot just trying to see what I could probably buy, maybe not buy. And I bought Gucci slides a few times, and wasn't that something unexpected? There's a little Gucci tag. What an unexpected box. This is a pleasant surprise for this box. So thank you guys for watching. There's my $1,000 mystery box. Looks like I have a new ring that may or may not ever be coming off my finger because it's like too far back. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys go shop with God C Supply. I appreciate the box, you guys. The only thing about them is they do take a while to ship because from their contractors they have to get the shoes and then they reship them to you. So pretty much that takes some time. However, once you get your stuff, you're getting it for good deals. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. It's been your boy Matt. I'm out. Peace.